Where?
In the playground.
From soccer.
Not in the soccer field, but outside. I saw snake.
Like, I don't want to go inside here.
I'm not saying something.
Train.
Snake.
Snake. I wanted to see snake. But I wanted to see train. Hey! Tada!
Attention!
Forward match. Oh, there's no rocks.
Mitch.
Mitchell.
Yep. Concealed art.
Which way we are following?
This is beautiful.
Yeah, we are
See
following.
what is this?
Yeah, Cody did Mitchell. Yeah, I think Mitchell made a heart. Mitchell made a heart with these.
Mitcha is one big heart. Sweetheart.
Huh?
Yes, Mitcha is big. See this swing, you can enjoy here.
Can I go there?
Yes, bye.
Even you can sit there.
We can let him walk.
No! Yeah, I'm sitting here and then it's going.
His eyes was like, what is this? Where did you bring me? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. When I first time came in here, this bull here was small bull. Now it grew bigger. I hope in few years from now we can slaughter it and eat it. Roast it and eat it. Hey,
Go in the water. Tata.
chica, bunani.
Tata. Tata.
One love.
One heart. Let's get together and feel right.
Hi, Uncle Mitchie.
Let me see. Tata, can we enter to the boat?
You will flip.
No.
You will fall into the water.
Can we step on the water?
Yes. Remove your shoes.
water.
Oh, that's wrong. You want to know how to? Let's go. What's that? Let's go.